going to draw a colorful and fun heart-shaped poppet together. First, we'll draw a big heart in the center of the paper. You can draw an even and round heart. The edges of the heart can be slightly rounded to create a cute feeling. Make sure the heart isn't too small to have enough space for the pop. It bubbles inside. Once you have the heart shape, next you will draw small circles inside it. These circles are the places where you can pop. Draw the circles skillfully and evenly, each row with about 4 to 7 circles, forming a row. You can draw 4 to 6 rows, depending on the size of the heart. We will color the heart-shaped poppet beautifully and vibrantly. Use red to evenly color all the circles in the first row. Red will create warmth and prominence, making your poppet attractive at first sight. Red, red. Next, color the second row orange. Orange creates freshness and stands out among other colors. Orange, Orange. Color the third row yellow. Yellow will bring vibrancy to the poppet. Yellow. Yellow. Color the fourth row green. Green brings a pleasant and fresh feeling. Green. Green. Next, color it blue. Blue looks very cool. Blue. Blue. Color the last row purple. Purple will be the final accent, creating vibrancy and making the poppet extra special. Purple. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting drawing videos.